Alright, boys. Okay. So, ito yung timer tracker natin. So, ang topic natin today is paano mag-upload ah, ng photos or paano mag-take ng picture. Okay, let's say ito yung site nyo, test site. Test site lang to ha, hindi to yung actual site. So, ito yung test site. Para mag-picture kayo, i-click nyo lang itong test. Yan, test. So, kung nasa site kayo, ang primary na open nyo is open field camera. Field camera. Kasi dito sa field camera, makikita nyo na dito yung before, during, and after. So, let's say, take a picture ng before bago nyo gawin. Yan, before. Take ng picture yan. Yan. Picture. Yan. Dami. During, ang gawa nyo na. After. Yan. Pagkatapos yung gawin nyo, kailangan may picture yan ng before, during, and after. Yung before, madumi pa. During, habang nililinis nyo. After, malinis na yung site. Okay? And then, click nyo na okay or checkbox. So, lahat yan, papasok na agad or mag-upload na yan sa tracker natin. Okay?